GoodNotes is a popular note-taking app, and its users are always on the lookout for creative digital stickers to jazz up their notes. This app has become a staple amongst students, professionals, and creatives alike. Its seamless interface, combined with its powerful features, has made it a must-have tool for anyone looking to increase their productivity and make note-taking a more engaging and enjoyable task. One of the app's most appealing aspects is its ability to support digital stickers. These are not your average stickers. Digital stickers can be an incredible way to add a personal touch to your notes, to organize your thoughts visually, or to highlight important points. It's the perfect blend of functionality and fun, making it an appealing feature for users of all ages. Given this demand, it makes perfect sense to create packs of stickers around different themes or subjects. Users could benefit from having a range of stickers at their disposal, tailored to their specific needs and preferences. Imagine students having access to a sticker pack dedicated to their specific field of study. For instance, a biology student could have stickers related to different biological structures, a history student could have stickers highlighting key historical events, and an art student could have stickers featuring famous artworks. The possibilities are endless. For professionals, having access to work-themed sticker packs could also be incredibly useful. A lawyer could have stickers related to different laws or legal terms. A marketer could have stickers related to different marketing strategies. A chef could have stickers featuring different ingredients. For the creatives, a sticker pack themed around different artistic styles or mediums could be a game changer. Think Monet-inspired stickers for those who love Impressionism, or stickers featuring types of brushes for those who love painting. And let's not forget about the fun and quirky sticker packs that can be created. From cat-themed stickers to travel-themed stickers, the options are limitless. The key is to keep the stickers creative, engaging, and relevant. This will not only make note-taking a more enjoyable task for users, but also help them to better remember and understand the content of their notes. After all, visual cues have been shown to improve memory recall and comprehension. Create packs of stickers around different themes or subjects. The digital sticker feature in GoodNotes is not just a fun add-on, it's a powerful tool that can greatly enhance the note-taking experience. By creating different themed sticker packs, you're not just adding visual interest, you're adding value to the user's overall note-taking experience. So there you have it. 8 extraordinary yet unsaturated product ideas, ready to be harnessed and capitalized upon. The first idea that comes to mind is preschool printables. These are incredibly useful tools for parents and educators alike, who are looking for creative ways to teach children basic concepts like shapes, colors, and numbers. They could be designed in a variety of ways, from coloring pages to cutout models, offering endless possibilities and a significant market niche to explore. Next up, we have another compelling idea: business trackers. In today's fast-paced corporate world, the ability to track and analyze business progress is of utmost importance. These trackers could include sales tracking sheets, financial planning templates, or project management charts. They have the potential to revolutionize the way businesses operate while offering you a lucrative venture. The third idea is remarkable digital planners. In our increasingly digitalizing world, traditional paper planners are being replaced by digital counterparts. These could range from daily agendas, to-do lists, to complex project timelines. With the right strategic planning and unique designs, these digital planners could make a significant impact in the market. The fourth idea consists of creating unique Canva frames. Canva has exploded in popularity in recent years, with millions of users worldwide. Offering well-designed, unique frames could cater to a vast audience, including bloggers, social media influencers, and digital marketers. Social media planners, the fifth idea, is extremely relevant in this era of digital marketing. Tailored planners that offer a comprehensive plan for social media activities can make scheduling posts and tracking engagement much easier, thereby having immense potential for success. The idea, daycare forms, involves creating user-friendly forms for daycare institutions. This could include admission forms, daily schedules, or health and safety procedures. Given the increasing number of daycare centers, this idea has great market potential. Seventh on our list is wedding checklists. With every minor detail to consider, planning a wedding can be overwhelming. Providing comprehensive and user-friendly checklists can simplify this process considerably. Finally, the eighth idea is digital stickers for good notes. Digital stickers can turn note-taking into a more enjoyable and personalized experience. With their increasing popularity, there is a definite potential for success in this niche. Remember, the trick is to find a niche that aligns with your passions and skills, then create products that fill a need. So don't listen to those who claim it's too late to start selling on Etsy. What they don't understand is that the world of digital entrepreneurship is always open for new players. It's an exciting, ever-evolving landscape where there's always room for creativity and innovation. The digital product space, in particular, is teeming with untapped potentials and opportunities waiting for the right minds to explore. In this contemporary era where everything has gone digital, online platforms like Etsy have become the go-to place of buyers worldwide. The demand for unique, creative, and digital products is constantly on the rise. It's an arena that's still blossoming, one that's burgeoning with an incredible amount of potential for those ready to seize the opportunity. What's more, with the right product ideas and the right strategies, you can set yourself success. Ideas are the spark that ignites the fire of entrepreneurship, and we have 8 fantastic product ideas ready for you to explore. These ideas are not just your ordinary product concepts. They've been carefully selected and are proven to work in this digital marketplace. The journey to building a thriving online business may not be easy, but with determination, creativity, and the right set of products, there's nothing you can't achieve. You're on the brink of a fantastic journey towards financial freedom and creative fulfillment. And remember, you're not alone. This is a journey that many have embarked on and succeeded. So, with all that said, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get to work. Arm yourself with these 8 product ideas, and you're well on your way to building a thriving online business. Happy creating! Alright, that's it for today's video. We've covered some substantial ground, and I hope the content presented to you was both informative and engaging. It's our endeavor to provide you with value possible. If you did find this content beneficial, then we would greatly appreciate if you could give this video a thumbs up. It may seem like a small gesture, but every thumbs up can help us reach more individuals who may find value in these videos. And while you're at it, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please consider doing so. Subscribing allows you to stay updated with all our latest content, opening up a wealth of resources right at your fingertips. You'll also become a part of our vibrant and ever-growing community of like-minded individuals. Before we conclude, there's one more thing we would like to draw your attention to. We have a free masterclass that you can access. It is linked right in the description below this video. This masterclass has been meticulously designed to provide a comprehensive guide to building your own product empire. It's a treasure trove of insights and practical tips that you can implement right away. So don't miss out on this opportunity. It's time to take the first step towards creating your digital product empire. It's time to start creating your digital product empire. Welcome to our channel. Here we're all about sharing knowledge, exploring innovative ideas, and fostering a community of learners and thinkers. We hope you've enjoyed today's video as much as we've enjoyed creating it for you. Our aim is to deliver you content that's not just informative, but engaging, exciting, and thought-provoking. Whether you're a regular here or if it's your first time tuning in, we want to express our gratitude for your time and attention. Your support means the world to us and aids us in our goal to continuously create and improve the content we deliver. Remember, each like, share, and subscription helps us build this educational platform further. Throughout this journey, we've tackled diverse topics, showcasing the wonders of the world around us and highlighting the intricacies of various sciences. Every video is a labor of love, a testament to our commitment to lifelong learning, and an invitation for you to embark on this intellectual journey with us. Rest assured, we have a lot more in store for you. From groundbreaking scientific breakthroughs to enchanting historical narratives, our upcoming videos promise to be as enlightening as they are entertaining. We're continually striving to create content that sparks your curiosity, challenges your mind, and encourages you to think beyond what you ever thought possible. Your feedback is invaluable to us, So don't hesitate to drop comments, suggest topics, or voice any concerns. This isn't just our channel, it's yours too. And together, we can create a space that's conducive to learning, growth, and inspiration. Thank you for being on this journey with us. We can't wait to see where this road takes us, and how much we'll all learn together. As always, remember to stay curious, and keep that thirst for knowledge alive. With that, we are signing off for now, but we'll catch you in the next video.